Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Neha Paryani, and in this session we are going to discuss another topic from our accounting from share capital, that is issue of shares at premium. So this is the sixth video on this chapter. In the previous sessions we have already covered many topics and also have done problems on each topic like oversubscription, calls in arrears, calls in advance. All the topics have been discussed and we have also solved many problems. If you want to watch the previous videos, you can get it links in the description box below or at the end of this video. You can also get it in the comment section below. Okay, and as this is the sixth part, I would recommend to start from beginning, or if you do not know the basic entries, it is very difficult for you to understand the topic now. Okay, so the topic that we are discussing today is issue of shares at premium. Okay, so we'll discuss about concept and we'll do a problem on it. Okay, so first of all we need to know what is mean by premium. So in general, premium is nothing but something extraordinary, okay, something special or something expensive, right? The same thing is here. Okay, when company issues shares, sometimes company issues shares at premium, which is nothing but more than the face value of the share. Okay, so we have discussed about case of oversubscription, right? So sometimes what happens when the company is very famous, okay, when the company is very famous, there are many chances of oversubscription. Many people are interested to purchase the shares of the company. So what company will do? So company finds it beneficial. Okay, company can think that because there is more demand when there is oversubscription, why not make some extra profit, okay, during this time. Okay, so each share will be now issued at a premium, like suppose the face value, or you can say the par value, or in simple language we can say the actual value of a share is 10 rupees per share. Now the share will be issued at, or the shares will be sold at rupees 12 to 15 in the market. Okay, for every share the company is earning 2 or 5 rupees more here. Assume company is selling the share for 15 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees share is sold at 15 rupees for general public. For every share company is making 5 rupees profit. Okay, this is issue at a premium. So this happens, okay, it happens many times when the company is very famous, or there is a more demand for company's shares. Okay, so now let us discuss how to do a problem on this topic. Okay, so the question is, Mohit Glass Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees 100 each at rupees 110 per share. Okay, now you see, so the share value or the face value of every share is 100 rupees. Okay, so first of all we know that it's always better to create a division. Okay, per share value is 100 rupees, right? But every share is issued at 110 rupees per share. Okay, what it means? It means that 10 rupees is premium. Okay, 10 rupees extra. So for every share company is receiving 10 rupees extra, or 10 rupees is premium. Okay, so we need to write it like this. Then payable rupees 30 on application. Okay, and rupees 40 on allotment. Yes, now this is important. 40 on allotment including premium. Correct. Now in the 40 rupees total allotment money, premium is also included. We know what is our premium, right? Our premium is 10 rupees per share. So company is asking its shareholders to pay premium during allotment process. Okay, see, it depends upon company in which process company wants to collect the premium. Okay, so it might be during the company might collect full premium during one single process. Okay, or the company may collect the dividend in parts. No, the company can collect the premium in parts during different process. It depends. Okay, in this question, so total allotment money is 40 rupees, but it includes premium also. So premium is 10 rupees. So it means that my actual allotment money is 30 rupees and plus 10 rupees is the premium. You always need to write premium or discount separately. Okay, we will cover issue on discount topic also very soon, but it's always better to write premium separately. Okay, there's a reason, so we'll understand this when we'll do further questions. Okay, we need to write premium separately. Then rupees 20 on first call. Okay, company received 20 on first call and 20 on final call. Okay, so this is how company is receiving all, actually all 110 rupees. Then the applications were received for 24,000 shares. Now see, the company has issued how many? Company issued 20,000 shares, but company got applications for 24,000 shares. So here it means 4,000 shares are excess or extra. Okay, and uh, okay, 24,000 shares and allotted 20,000 shares and rejected 4,000 shares and amount refund returned thereon. So the excess shares are totally rejected by the company. So when we were solving questions on oversubscription, we came to know company can either reject the extra shares or company can do the allotment on pro rata basis. Okay, here all the shares are being rejected. Then the money was received, give necessary journal entries. Okay, so there is no call scenarios in any process. Okay, there is no call scenarios. It means that everybody has paid the amount. Okay, now so let us start our solution. So basically there are four process: application, allotment, first call and final call. Okay, no call scenarios, right? So first process is application, and we know for every process we need to do two journal entries. Okay, again I'm telling, if you do not know about the basic entries or the process or the concept, it's better to watch the first video. Okay, introductory video, learn the concept, then you can come back to this video. Okay, or it's impossible to understand now, right? So first basic entry during application process is bank account debit. Bank account is debited to share application account. Okay, so what happens here? Public are paying the application money into company's bank account. So bank balance is increasing. So when asset increases, we debit it. Correct. In total, company is receiving application for 24,000 shares. See, how many company wanted to issue, that doesn't matter here. Okay, currently company is receiving application money for 24,000 shares. Okay, and application money is 30 rupees. Okay, it's 30 rupees per share. So 24 into 30, okay, will be 7,20,000 rupees. Okay, it's 7,20,000. So in total company has received 7,20,000 rupees during application, right? So narration being share application money for 24,000 shares at rupees 30 per share received. Okay, so you need to write the full narration. Okay, then so in the same application process, the second entry will be, so this application money will be transferred to share capital account in case there is over subscription. So whether the excess shares can be rejected or pro rata allotment can be done. Okay, so basic entry for application, second entry is, so share application account debit. So share application account debit to share capital account. Okay. Basically here we are transferring application money into share capital account. Okay. But there is also rejection of some excess shares here. Okay. When there is a rejection of shares, we know that the company is going to return their amount or refund the application amount. Okay. So we will also credit bank account, because when we received application money, so then bank account was debited. We received money into our bank account. Now that company has to refund the amount. Okay, company has to return back the amount. We are crediting bank account also. So now from my bank the balance is reducing. When assets reduces, we credit them. Okay, now total application money is 7,20,000 rupees. Okay, and yes, it's 7,20,000. Now, how much money should we transfer to share capital account? Okay. Now, see, company wanted to issue only 20,000 shares. Okay, so 20,000 shares application money will be transferred to share capital account, which is 6 lakh rupees. Okay, extra shares are rejected by the company, so 4,000 extra shares are rejected and their application money, which is 30 rupees per share, is refunded. It means 1,20,000 rupees is refunded to general public. Okay, so this is how we do the entries for application. In right narration, B, share application money transferred to share capital account for 20,000 shares, and excess money, excess shares, excess share application, sorry, applications are rejected. Okay, so this is how you need to write the full narration here, right? So now application process is done. Okay, it was simple, right? Now next process is allotment process. In this process, company is totally asking 40 rupees. See, we know we do two entries during allotment. One is due entry and another one is receipt entry. Okay, so in due entry, company is asking the public, no, now the shareholders. Okay, so company is asking the shareholders to pay allotment money, right, which is 40 rupees in total. Okay, 30 rupees is actual allotment money and 10 rupees is premium. So how to do the due entry now? Now basic due entry is, we all know, right? So share allotment account debit to share capital account. This is the basic entry. Okay, for 20,000 shares, in total company is asking 40 rupees to be paid. Okay, which is 8 lakh rupees. So during allotment, company in total is asking the public to pay 8 lakh rupees. Okay, asking the shareholders. Now, so out of that, so 20,000 multiplied with actual allotment money is what? Actual allotment money is only 30 rupees, that we will transfer to share capital account. Okay, that we will take in share capital account, which is 6 lakh rupees. Okay, and there is also premium. Now see, premium is a profit. Premium is the profit for the company, right? So we know when profits will be there, profits are credited. Incomes, profit, gains are always credited. So share premium account is also credited now. Okay, for 20,000 shares, premium is 10 rupees per share, so 2 lakh rupees. Okay, so total allotment money asked was 40 rupees. Actual allotment money is 30 rupees and 10 rupees is the premium asked during allotment by the company. Right? In total, it's 8 lakh rupees. If you check, your debit and credit balance will match. Okay, right narration being share allotment money including premium due. Right? So now company has asked to pay the allotment money. There are no calls in arrears. It means everybody has paid the allotment money. So the entry will be basic one. Now into my bank account, I'm receiving money for allotment. Okay, so bank account debit to share allotment account. So in total, company is receiving 8 lakh rupees during allotment. Okay, company is receiving 8 lakh rupees during allotment. Right narration being share allotment money including premium receipt, right, including premium receipt. So next process is first call process. In the first call process, there is no premium, there are no call scenarios, nothing. Okay, so again we'll do two entries during first call. Company is asking to pay the first call money to its shareholders, so for that we'll do the due entry, and then shareholders are paying the first call money to the company, we'll do receipt entry. Okay, two entries again. So first we'll do due entry, again it's the basic one. Okay, share first call account debit. Okay, for 20,000 shares, company is asking company is asking 20 rupees during first call. Okay, so 20,000 into 20 is 4 lakh rupees. In total, during first call, company is asking to pay 4 lakh rupees. So share first call account debit to share capital account. Okay, you can write the narration being share first call money or share first call amount due. Okay, you can always mention the number of shares being share first call amount of on 20,000 shares at rupees 20 per share due. Okay, you can also mention it like this. Then, so when the company has asked to pay the first call money, no call scenarios here, it means everybody has paid the has paid the first call money. Okay, so now into my bank account, into company's bank account, we are receiving share first call money. So bank account debit to share first call account. Okay, so the for 20,000 shares, company received 20 rupees, which is 4 lakh. All the first call money is received by the company. Right, narration being share first call money receipt. Okay, so at last we have second call process. Again, during second call, company is asking 20 rupees to be paid. We'll do two entries, due entry and receipt entry. Correct. So in the due entry, company is asking to pay the money, and in the receipt entry, the shareholders will pay the money. Okay, so entry will be same, share second and final call account debit. Okay, share second and final call account debit to share capital account. Okay, for 20,000 shares, again company asked to pay 20 rupees. So in total, during second call also, company is asking to pay 4 lakh rupees to the shareholders. Right, narration being share second and final call money due. Okay, it's due, right? Then last entry, so last entry is receipt entry for second call. When company has asked to pay the second call money, now the shareholders are paying, though there are no call scenarios in this question. Okay, so it's simple again, everybody has paid the second call money. So bank account debit to share second and final call account. Okay, all total 4 lakh rupees is received. Okay, it's received during second call. Right, narration B, share second and final call money received. Okay, that's all, right? So that's all. So one thing is that if you are clear from beginning, if you're clear from concepts and basic entries, only then you must have understood this topic. Okay, so the topic was actually issue at premium. So during allotment only, company has collected all the premium. Okay, all the premium amount. So in the allotment due entry, okay, we will just add one extra thing, that is to share premium account, because premium is our profit. Okay, we know always profits, incomes and gains are credited. Okay, so we have credited share premium account. That is, this is the only addition which we need to do. Okay, I hope it's clear up to here. Okay guys, so this was all about today. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. You can ask me doubts in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in my upcoming sessions. Till that, happy learning.